order to tackle the grading for this project, we had to learn to utilize some of the various Autocad civil tools more to our advantage than we had in the past. So one of the tools that we used was a grading tool that was built into Autocad, but it was mostly made for roads. If you look at a stream as kind of an upside down road, instead of the center being a little higher than the sides, the center is a little lower than the sides. We are able to utilize the road design tools and grading tools to design our streams at a much faster pace. So it's kind of using the roadway terminology and transforming it into how we look at the stream and the floodplain interaction, where we think of the floodplain benches and the floodway as a basic lane, and when we need to widen or narrow that up, it's a roadway lane transition, and as you would see on a highway when you go from a 2-lane to a 3-lane road. We built a kind of a large if-then statement using the tool, so we could say, like, if you're in fill, grade flat. If you're in cut, grade at this slope until you hit this elevation, and then maybe you steepen it up. So we could tell it, the software, to analyze the adjacent topography and cut or fill at various widths and heights to tie the stream grade into the proposed topography. Being able to build in that kind of if-then analysis thought process into the tool itself allows us to grade the floodplain for a couple thousand linear feet of stream in a much faster period of time than we previously were able to do.